So hello and welcome to the final video of the Kevadia Tourism Circuit series, where I will show you the Unity Glow Garden near the Statue of Unity. So I came in the morning and got this view from the outside of the garden, but later in the evening when the lights turned on, I decided to come back and go inside to see the garden. The Unity Glow Garden is a unique theme park illuminated with attractive and vibrant lights on different types of figures. The ticket prices to visit inside the garden is 100 rupees for adult and 50 rupees for a child. If you want to take a DSLR camera with yourself, you have to pay an additional 200 rupees for it. So as you can see, the park has developed with a glimmering array of installations, figures and optical illusions. There are many plants with figures of animals, birds and LED fountains inspired with glowing lights on display to welcome all tourists to experience the joy of night tourism in Kevadia. Alongside these glowing figures, they also turn on the music here at 6:30 pm so that the tourists here can enjoy more. I actually arrived here a bit early during the sunset time just because I had to also see the laser show at the Siddharth Rover Dam and Statue of Unity. This garden has earned the title of being a popular destination already as more and more tourists are pouring in to experience the beauty of Kevadia at night. This was intended to create a zone that gave a bit different feel and ambience in the evenings and also enable night tourism to flourish in the places close to the Statue of Unity. The park is close to the Valley of Flowers Park and opened at 4 pm and closed at 10:30 pm at night. So when I was here, I saw many people in the garden along with me, but I also found out that most of them were looking bored and they might have thought that they just wasted their money on the tickets. So the main question is that should you visit here? First of all, you can see that this is the area of the Unity Glow Garden and outside of it are pathways where you can walk and still see the garden for free. So rather than spending 100 or even 300 rupees, you can still get a good view being outside of the garden. Now the next question is, what is the best time to visit the garden? I think the best time depends on darkness. Time can range from 7:30 pm to 10:30 pm at night when the garden glows in the middle of Kevadia. After my visit to the Unity Glow Garden, I saw the laser show at the Statue of Unity, which is also called the Sound and Light Show here. You can go and watch that video also on my channel. But from here, thanks for watching.